Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video, which I want to start with a very big thank you to all of you who have already subscribed to my channel. As you can see, I have reached over 4,000 subscribers. And it just makes me very happy to see that all of you like my videos, that you enjoy the projects I'm sharing with you, and also that so many of you like to craft along, use my tutorials and use my cutting guides for your very own folios and albums. It's really just great to share this beautiful hobby with so many people. If you haven't actually subscribed yet, I would love for you to do so because this helps my channel growth, and also you can make sure that you don't miss any of my coming videos. And of course, to celebrate having over 4,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway as well as a big sale in my Etsy store for the next days. So just keep on watching this video and I will announce how to enter the giveaway and what the sale is including at the end of today's video. But before, I would really like to share with you a very new folio style I made, which I think turned out so great, and I'm pretty sure I will use it over and over again. So if you know me, if you know my channel and my project, I like using the same styles, and then I do like kind of the same folios but very different for any different theme or occasion. To give as a gift for friends or to make my own folios or albums. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I will use this folio style a lot. I actually have a lot of ideas in mind for future projects using this style. And to make this folio, I have used a brand new collection by Simple Stories, which is called Here and There. And as you can see, it's a travel collection, so it has a lot of travel themed patterns and icons, but then also a lot of floral patterns. And if you know my other videos, I like using flowers in my albums, so this collection was just great for a travel themed album for me. And to be honest, I actually haven't used this 6x8 inch paper pad for making this album really, but I have used some 12x12 inch papers from the collection, but because I wanted to show you an overview and I actually no longer have the front cover sheet of the 12x12 inch collection kit. That's what I'm showing you right now, but you could totally do it with only the 6x8 inch collection or paper pad, and then just for the album cover is where you would really need some larger papers. So if you want to order this for making this folio, you are fine with only ordering like 2 sheets of 12x12 inch papers, or maybe 3 sheets, and then just get the smaller paper pad in the size 6x8 inch. Or I want to say this is also a great project if you have already done a bigger album and then you have only left some scraps from your 12x12 inch collection kit, because for the inside, which I will show you in a minute, you don't really need a lot of like larger papers. You only need papers in the size like not larger than 4x6 inches. So yeah, I actually didn't really add a lot to the back cover, so I only added pattern paper here as well as to the sides of the folio. And then as you can see by looking at the front cover, it is a gatefold folio style. And I recently enjoy making those window frames to add to album covers because it's such a great way to use some of the embellishments or stickers coming in a collection kit. And yeah, you can really get creative with it, and I just love how it turned out for this album again. And for making this scalloped frame, I actually used a die cut by Craftelier Basics, but I will do another video on how to make those embellishment window frames, so I don't want to go into detail on how to make it in this video. And as you can see, it is a gatefold folio style, so this embellishment window frame is actually magnetized and holds your gatefold in place. And then that is what the folio looks like on the inside, and I want to start with talking about the left and the right side. So as you can see, I decided to use a waterfall page style yet again in this folio, because I think waterfall pages are just great to include a lot of photos in a fun interactive way. And you could of course also do a ribbon closure for your waterfall folio, but for this folio style I decided to do a magnet closure instead. And the magnet closures are just great to include some of those 2x2 inch journaling cards which came with this collection, but you could also cut down some 3x4 inch journaling cards if 2x2 inch cards are not included, or you can just get creative with this closure as well. So I used the 2x2 inch journaling cards. I also added some enamel dots and stickers, and as you can see I used my corner puncher to decorate the corners of the journaling cards as well. And onto the waterfall pages you can add some 3x4 inch photos, so in total you would be able to include 18 3x4 inch photos onto the sides of this gatefold folio. And then in the middle of this folio style is actually what I am the most excited about. So instead of adding any pages to the middle of the folio, I decided to include this pocket box. So yeah, it's not a cardstock pocket, which I would usually include in my albums or folios, but it is an actual box made out of chipboard. And this box is 1 inch deep, so you would be able to include so much stuff in there. So as you can kind of see here, I included a lot of different photo mats, photo booklets, photo tags. I also included some smaller pockets for smaller embellishments, and then a travel journal. But I'm actually not going to show you everything I included in the pocket in today's video, because I really want to make a separate video on the different ideas I have for photo mats and booklets and everything you could put into those boxes. And there are actually so many fun and also interactive ways to do booklets and photo mats for these boxes that I'm really excited to share them with you, as I said, in a separate video. But you're not restricted to adding photos in here. So you could also add some smaller things, like for example you're going on a trip and then you take, I don't know, some shells from the beach, or other smaller things like a coaster from a bar you went to, and just place it in here as well, which I think is really great. And you wouldn't really be able to do that in other folio or album styles I have shared with you. And for this travel themed folio, I decided to make the box look like a backpack. So as you can see, I used some ribbon and buckles here, and yeah, I think it turned out really great. But of course, this style wouldn't fit any theme. So in my tutorial, which I will talk about in a minute, you won't get the instructions on how to make this backpack box, but instead there will be a more traditional box with an elastic closure instead. So that's what you could use for any themed albums. And of course you would attach the box to the album cover, but because I wanted to show you the different box styles, I didn't attach it yet. So here you can see again that it's a very deep box with a lot of room for photos and everything you want to include in your album. So of course there will be a video tutorial on how to make this folio style coming soon. And there will also be coordinating cutting guides, as always, available for purchase in my Etsy store. And this brings me to the last part for this video, which is the announcement for the giveaway and the sale in my Etsy store. So if you're interested in making this folio, you can actually win the cutting guides for this folio style in my giveaway. And all you need to do to win the cutting guides and templates for this folio style number 4 is just leave a comment down below underneath this video. And you can comment anything you like. I always love reading your comments, and I will make sure to also reply to your comments, and then I will announce the winners for this giveaway in my next video. And to further celebrate my 4,000 subscribers, I also decided that I want to do a big sale in my Etsy store. So with the code SAVE40, you will get actually 40% off my bundles. So this is for all my mini album bundles, page style bundles. So it doesn't matter if you choose size 6x6 inches or size 8x8 inches, and it also doesn't matter if you want to have the bundle number 1 or the bundle number 2. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm selling cutting guides and templates for making mini albums in the size 6x6 or 8x8 inches. And those bundles include cutting guides and templates for 25 different interactive page styles. And I already have 2 bundles for each size available. So there's bundle 1, which includes page style 1 to 25, and then bundle 2, which include another set of page styles, so page styles 26 to 50. So if you decide to get both of those bundles, you have 50 different page styles, interactive page style ideas to choose from, and you can just mix and match them to make your very own interactive album with a lot of different interactive elements, and you can just decorate them for any theme or occasion. But for more information on how to use these bundles and what they're really for, and why I think it's such a great bundle to have for making mini albums, I will link my video down below with all the information. But yeah, now would be the best time to get those bundles, as 40% off is really a great deal, and this sale will only last for 4 days. So it will end in 4 days. So make sure to go to my Etsy store right now. It will be, of course, linked down below, and then you can get my bundles at a really good price. Now that's it for today's video, and again I really want to say thank you to all of you, and I hope that you also enjoyed this video today and that you are liking this new folio style as much as I love it. So I really can't wait to show you different folios I have made with this style. So I have actually, as I said in the beginning, some ideas in mind for this folio style. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love to get your feedback in the comments down below. Of course, you can also leave a thumbs up for this video. That would be highly appreciated. And then I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!